Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to write a random password generator in Python. So first, we are going to import random, and then we are going to import string, and now we are going to generate a pass string by concatenating a string ASCII letters, upper and lowercase characters, and then we are going to add a strings digits 0 to 9, and now I'm going to add a string punctuation. So this will be string dot punctuation. So now we have this string of upper and lowercase letters, digits, and punctuations. Now I'm going to set the length for the pass. That will be pass length set to 16. And now we are going to generate our password, the random password. This will be, so with the empty string, we are going to join random sample will be generated from our pass string, and we are also going to pass in the pass length. So the random password will be generated from our pass string and of length 16. And now we are going to print the password. So let's run our script, and over here we can see the password is generated for us. I will run this program again, and we get a random password generated. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.